Hey guys, before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Hey guys, today we're going to be opening Barbie surprise toys. Here I got this super beautiful black Barbie with freckles. I have never seen a Barbie with freckles in my life. And here is the set of this game and all these snacks, so I cannot wait for us to open them. So I think we should start with the thing not so exciting. So let's just zip it. Let's see. No way, guys. She's so beautiful. Let me just look at how beautiful she is. She has this curly hair, her like bow, her beautiful freckles, this dress. And look at these boots, are so cool. So let's just snip here. Okay. So we can get her out. Oh no, I didn't get her out. I'm just gonna snip here. I hope I don't cut her hair. What is holding her back? Oh. Oh, a zip tie. Oh my gosh, guys. Well, we did it. We got her out. Okay. We got her out, guys. Look at how beautiful she is. Can I just admire her boots a little bit? She has like the coolest white boots. Her curly hair is so beautiful. And her like bow, I don't know why I'm saying it's a bow. It's like this circle. And her beautiful dress is so beautiful, blue and white. And blue and white are one of my favorite colors. Guys, look at how beautiful her face is too. I think we should get on to the more excitingness. So this is a surprise play set. And here it even has this like thing, which is to play games. So let's dig into it. Okay, let's see what we can first get out. First will come out. Ooh, we have this nice jar of popcorn. Nice Barbie popcorn. It has like a beaker Barbie. Let's see what else can we get out. Guys, I cannot. Let's try the big part. So we got the big part. Oh my gosh. Guys, we got out the big part. We're going to have to build it, I think. It has to be built. It's just plain. Look at how cool it is. These pink guys and these blue guys kicking. So I guess these are boys. These are for the boys and these are for the girls. And here it's based on these. And here goes the balls and everything. Let's see, I have more stuff in here. I think this needs to be builded. This is supposed to be builded, which we'll build in just a little bit. But let's just keep on getting out accessories in. Oh, we got this super adorable little puppy. Look at how cute it is. It's like this brown shade. And guys, I do not have a lot of brown dogs, so this will be perfect. Just trying to get out the next item. I'm gonna need the scissors for this. Scissors activate. Yeah. Got out the balls perfectly sounded. We're protected by this little clear. Why is it so hard? Okay. Struggling so much. I literally cannot open this. finally, after 60 hours. Oh my gosh, this is like this of noodles. There's like these noodly thingies in here. That's again by Barbie. And now let's use the same technique on the rest. Oh my gosh, I cannot take them out. Bottles. Literally hurting me to the core. Oh, I have an idea. That was easy. A bottle of water. Nice because it will go with the salty. And let's see here. Look. This yellow bottle of some kind of a mixture. I don't know what it is. And now the hardest for last, the balls, which are super small and super hard to get out. I think I got it. Ooh! Got out one of the little balls. 2 more to go. One is gone, 2 more to go. Trying to be very steady here. Okay, second one is done. And now the third one. Third ball. Third ball. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Can open this. Oh, yeah. Open here. Okay. So now let's assemble everything together. So I was able to unback the scenes. I was able to build this, and it's so cool. Here, there's this like little place where you can put the bottles. You can just basically put the balls in here. The snacks here is chips. And basically your dolls can play and the puppy too. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Click that subscribe and turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye!